Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to search by voice in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. Go to the search bar. Locate the search bar at the top of the browser window. Step 3. Click on the microphone icon. Once you're in the search bar, simply click on the microphone icon to activate the voice search feature. Searching by voice can be a convenient and efficient way to perform searches, especially when you're on the go or have your hands occupied. This feature allows you to simply speak your search query, and Chrome will provide you with relevant search results. Remember to speak clearly and enunciate your words for better accuracy. It's also important to have a working microphone connected to your PC for this feature to function properly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.